How to deactivate account on Instagram application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can deactivate account on Instagram application. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. From your home page, navigate to your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, navigate to top right. Tap on the three-line icon. From this page, tap on Account Center at the top. Now, scroll down and under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on the last option that says Account Ownership and Control. Here, you have an option to deactivate or delete. So tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account and here select the first option, that is Deactivate Account, then tap on Continue. Here it says your tweet profile that will be deactivated. So tap on Continue. Now for the security, you have to re-enter your password to continue. So enter your password and on the next prompt, you will be asked to enter the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Provide your reason, follow the prompts, and after that, your account will be deactivated. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.